Did you know that in your workplace not only is the disinfectant you choose to clean with important, but so is the type of cloth you choose? Microfiber versus cotton, let's go. Welcome everyone, my name is Joe Feezer and I am the OG, office guy. So if you have checked out any of my previous videos you will know that I have been in the office products industry for over 36 years. Let's learn the difference between microfiber and cotton cloths. It is critical to keep your area tidy in today's environment. Before you leave for the day, a simple activity like wiping down your desk or dusting off your computer can go a long way. You might think about wiping everything down with a disinfectant wipe, a mystery spray bottle you found on someone else's desk, or even an aerosol disinfectant spray can, and then wiping everything off with a cloth. The disinfectant you use, as well as the type of cloth you use, have an impact. Speaking of disinfectants, click the link above if you would like to check out my video on making sanitation safe and efficient organizational operations. Knowing the advantages of the cloth you use to clean all of your office items has a bigger influence than you might believe. Cotton and microfiber cloths are the two most popular textile types. Both of these methods have advantages and disadvantages, but understanding which to employ is critical for keeping your workspace in good shape. Now would be a great time to hit the subscribe button if you find the OG content helpful. Also, click on the bell if you would like to be notified when we drop new videos. Do you recognize the patterned kitchen towels in your mother's kitchen? I know I remember my mom using them. Cotton is most likely the culprit. When it comes to cleaning, cotton cloths are a common choice. Natural, breathable, mild, and soft, the material won't scratch your fine appliances. It's also a very low-cost product. Cotton cloths can be found in abundance for a relatively inexpensive price. This popular product, however, has significant drawbacks. The sense of the filth being picked up will get trapped in the fibers and leave bacteria behind because the substance is organic and all natural. When a cleaning product becomes a mess, it's difficult to reuse it. The fibers are then split further apart, allowing the cotton cloths to push dirt and debris around rather than scooping it up completely. Cotton cloths often take a long time to dry and leave excessive lint trails. Is the low price worth these inconveniences? A microfiber cloth is another popular cleaning cloth. These may have come along with new technology or a new pair of glasses. Polyester, nylon, and acrylic are some of the synthetic materials used to make microfiber. It's a very fine material with a diameter of roughly 1/100th that of a human hair. Microfiber has a diameter of 1/3 times that of cotton fiber. The material is strongly packed together due to its thinness. Because there is little space between the strands, these goods are particularly absorbent. It can easily pick up and remove dirt and soil from a surface. This long-lasting cloth also cleans a surface without the use of soap or water. On electronics, it works best when it's dry. This robust product, however, is not without flaws. Because the material is synthetic, the initial cost of microfiber products is twice as much as cotton products. When attempting to wash the material properly, additional costs can be incurred. It necessitates specific laundering to keep it in good condition. Because microfiber requires specific handling, it is prone to snagging. Snags in a microfiber cloth cause the product to be slightly abrasive to items such as screens and eyewear. If the microfiber cloth will last a long time and won't require more cleaning products while wiping down an area, the risk of a snag can be worth it. Both microfiber and cotton cloths have advantages that the other lacks. Cotton is a delicate cloth that is less expensive, but it gets soiled quickly and does not completely clean up the mess. Microfiber picks up dirt and oils fast and easily, yet it costs twice as much as cotton in the beginning. So which is the superior option? Before I tell you which is the better choice, leave me a comment below which option you are currently using. Okay, so here it is. A microfiber cloth would be a better investment in the long run. Paying more for a cloth that will last longer is a wiser investment that will improve cleanliness in the long run. With a microfiber cloth, you can rest assured that the work will be done correctly the first time. If other companies can trust a microfiber cloth to clean your newest smartphone or laptop, can't you? If you would like information on any of the products in this video, please fill out my new customer form below to discover the difference. Take a minute and hit the like button to help the OG channel grow if you found this video helpful. As always, thanks for watching. I am the OG Office Guy.